Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Hawaii. So today I'm out for live bait fishing, midwinter live bait fishing. Now the water temperature is around 9 degrees Celsius, so it's getting much harder to get fish. I'm chasing flounder mainly today. And first, we need to catch some live bait, the jack mackerel, using this rig, sabiki. Okay, let's get started. The spot I came to catch some jack mackerel is about 6 miles away from our marina by the small island called Tomogashima, located between Awaji Island and Wakayama. Cause there's no enough live bait close by, the water temperature is too low at the moment, so I had to come all the way to this island. Okay, here comes the mackerel, jack mackerel, live bait. They are about 20 centimeter jack mackerel, the best size for flounder to eat. By the way, we also come to catch those jack mackerel to eat, but their best season is June to July, right before they're spawning. In that best season they have much more fat, but now in the midwinter they have less fat and not very good to eat. So what's tasty in the winter is flounder, what I'm chasing today, and red snapper if they're decent size, and kuraguchi, the black croaker. That's also what I caught in the previous video. And mebaru, the black rockfish, which will start in this season in the next month. Here comes another one, and probably that's enough for the bait fish. You know, this rig sheet is really convenient to store this kind of long sabiki. Okay, now I switch up the rig to the live bait fishing. There you go. Single hook rig. 25 pound. Yeah, that's it. Single hook. Actually, those fishing rigs I'm using in this video are all my handmade original. So tie up the leader up here on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 twinge knots. And 120 gram weight. And here comes the jack mackerel. So let's find the spot. Okay, now the water depth is 33 meters, and there are enough bait fish here, and I'm gonna drift my boat from here to here. Now it's 35 meters and it goes up to 20 meters or something. Here you go. Let's go. Let's check the drag. Not too tight, not too loose. And let's keep the rig close from the bottom. So I kept drifting my boat several times here, but there's no sign at all. So I decided to switch up my rig again and change my target to red snapper, and I made it. Okay, so I'm gonna cook several different dishes using this red snapper that I caught today. It's already cleaned, no gills and no guts. So today I'm gonna make grilled fish head, TAI CHAZUKE. It's something we put sashimi on top of rice and pour hot dashi soup on it. It's a pretty common dish for Japanese people. Okay, so today I'm gonna smoke this head. So before I grill the fish head, I smoke it. It will smell nicer and the meat gets a little more firm and even juicier. Sprinkle some salt on it and leave it for about an hour to dehydrate the fish. So after an hour of dehydration, hang those fish head in a can. Start a fire on a smoke chip. And smoke them in a can for about 2 hours. Okay, let's fillet the fish. Now I'm up to making sashimi for TAI CHAZUKE. Now I make marinade sauce for sashimi. Soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, and sake. It's grind sesame seeds. And put sashimi in the marinade sauce and leave it for several hours. This is for dashi soup for TAI CHAZUKE. Toast the bones to get nice smell before put them in the water. Add a little bit of salt, mirin, and soy sauce. Dashi soup is done. And finally work on the fish sauté. Score the skins. Sprinkle some salt on both sides. Chop garlic and scallion for making sauce. Add some herbs and flour and fry the skin first until it gets brown. Add some chopped garlic and scallion. After garlic and scallion are brown, add a little bit of butter and soy sauce. And to get some acidity, add a little bit of lemon juice.
Fish stock.
After 2 hours, the smoke is done. Put them in the oven to grill it for about 8 minutes. It's dashi soup for Thai CHAZUKE. Put marinade sashimi on top of rice. It's arare, the plain crisp. And sprinkle some nori, the dried seaweed. And finally pour dashi soup in the rice bowl.
いただきます。
いただきます。
うまっ。どう？